Hi, it's Amy with WTI, and this is the Amazon Basics USB to USB-C cord. Now this sucker is 10 feet long. It's awesome. This is for one of my elderly friends who's handicapped. She's been using a 3-foot charging cable to charge her tablet, and I could see that that was really difficult, and I felt like it was almost dangerous that she could hurt herself trying to grab it from her table. So now with this 10-foot long cord, she's able to very easily use her tablet safe in bed while it's charging. This is an input USB to output USB-C cable. So you need a brick with a USB plug to go along with this if you're going to plug it into an outlet. This also can be plugged into a laptop, desktop, or used with a Samsung, Galaxy, or iPhone 15. If it needs a USB-C to charge it, you're all set with this. It feels very well built. I get concerned about this part here when it's bending a lot, that it'll break, but this looks like it's gonna hold together well. So if you're looking for a USB to a USB-C cord, this won't disappoint you. It'll get the job done. It's gonna give you plenty of range having the 10-foot length. I think you're gonna really like it, and that's my point of view.